So the term smart contract often confuses the average people. It is understandable considering the ambiguity of the term. Although smart contracts can be used to facilitate document management, including contract sharing activities, the term actually refers to something other than a legal document. The term smart contract actually refers to a programming logic which automates transactions in the blockchain using a cryptography-based validation process. So besides just handling decentralized contract management, so to speak, the smart contract can also handle financial transactions, trading activities, and loan provision. So the concept sounds good on paper, yet up to this point you might still be confused, what is smart contract and how exactly does it work? Stay tuned to this FAQ video where we will explain smart contract concept in more details. So basically, the smart contract is a program in the blockchain which automates transaction in the system. Smart contract was invented as part of the peer-to-peer network technology in 1994. The smart contract automates transactions using an if or then logic. So if the buyer managed to complete payment in a certain sum within 24 hours, then the vendor will send the corresponding product. Yet, different from the transactions conducted over the centralized e-commerce platforms, these smart contracts are not mediated by central servers which will hold the money in their account and will only send them to the vendors once the buyers receive their goods. So these transactions are direct, as you can infer from the term peer-to-peer network.
This is why the smart contract inventor, American computer scientist Nick Szabo, often likened it to a vending machine. By inserting a certain sum of cash into the machine or having a certain amount of money deducted from your wallet using the machine's QR code, the vending machine will give you the food and beverage you want with the corresponding amount of price. By automating the transactions and removing middlemen, the smart contract basically helps all parties involved save their time and energy when conducting their transactions. As we all know, human error and inefficiency caused by the middlemen often result in time and financial losses in transactions. The smart contract infrastructure helps solve this problem. This is where it gets interesting, as along with the strength of the smart contracts, therein lies its weaknesses. The smart contract can be very efficient and trusty because it facilitates direct transactions without the involvement of middlemen. Yet because it doesn't rely on a central server which moderates transaction traffic, any flaws in the smart contract programming or infrastructure can result in the system being impeded by bugs. Coding mistakes can cause significant financial losses, as seen in the case of the DAO attack in 2016, where $53 million Ether was lost. Therefore, when you hire a programmer to code smart contract for your P2P network project, make sure the programmer is a patient person with an eye for details.
So does this explanation help? So tell us what you think in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions which you'd like us to answer on our FAQ program, don't hesitate to send them here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Blockchain Zoo and see you in our upcoming presentation.